Good evening, good evening, good evening. It's Ruth Marquise, your favorite realtor. Welcome to Ruth and Real Estate, Ruth and Real Estate Market Update. Thank you so much for joining us today. Welcome to Ruth and Real Estate, where buyers and sellers make moves. Just leave that up. That's good. I gotta write that down. That's good. We're buyers, okay, and sellers make moves. I like that. All right. So I hope everything is well. We're going to jump right into it. I've been having lifing, so I had to miss a couple shows, but I'm back. All right. So today I think the topic today is going to be, I know the topic today is mortgage payments are going down. Here's why. Okay. So stay tuned. This is going to be good for buyers. It's going to be good for sellers. And you're going to find some useful information. And I won't be here long. Okay. All right. So, okay. All right. So when people say, Ruth, I want that house on insert realtor.com, insert was it Zillow, Enter, all of these websites, right? When they want a house from here or a house from there on the website, I always ask them, did you look at the payment? And usually on the website they'll have, certain things on a website, but they don't have all of the information. So it makes it look like that the payment is cheaper than what they thought. And then they find out, wait a minute, I thought this was supposed to be this number. So today we're going to talk about what are the four basic elements of a mortgage payment. Okay. So I asked them, does it have pity? Does it have pity? Not like that, but now I am moving forward. Does it have pity? Okay. Pity. What you mean pity? Principal, interest, taxes, insurance. If you've ever been to real estate school, that's the first thing they drill into your head, right? Principal, right? So principal is set like 30 years or 15 years, whatever it is, it's a certain amount. It's amortization. So they break down the amount that you're going to pay every single month. Matter of fact, if you ever bought a house and that paperwork, they'll write down every single payment, 360. Even though it seems like a lot of payments, I'm sure you've already paid 300. No, not 360, at least 100 payments renting for 10 years, right? So yeah, it has that. And in the beginning, it's not going to be that much principal that is going down. Thank you. I see y'all with the like button. Oh, if you're on here, say hi. If you're watching this on the replay, hashtag replay. Hey, Kamira, how are you? I can see your comments now. Yes. My girl, Kamira. All right. So, um, in the beginning, you think that every single payment is going towards bringing it down. No, ma'am. No, sir. It's not doing that at all. But like a small little payment is going in there and a larger, hey, gorgeous T, how are you? She says, hello. Hey, honey, how are you? Oh, hey, guys. So when so yeah, in the beginning, it's a high. It looks like it's interest is eating that payment up. Okay, she says, "I'm good. I'm glad you're well. I'm doing good too." So what happens is, like, I believe the first 7 years is going to be mostly interest payments. It's really heavy on the interest. The first 7 years, it start every month, like slowly, slowly, slowly going down. Right? She says, I'm doing good. I'll have to check it out later. I'm at work. No problem. Absolutely. So, but thank you for tuning in. So the interest rate. So that's the first part, principal. The second part is the interest rate. The interest rate changes. Right now, it's higher than it was before in the last several years. And I blame Ruth. Ruth should have been like, buy a house right now. I should have put the gun to your head, but like, buy. I should have did that, right? But I didn't because I'm nice. I'm like, okay, you don't want to buy, that's fine, whatever. So now the interest rates went up, okay? Um, and but it's still historically low, okay? And then the next thing is taxes, okay? You got the taxes, and that's between you and the city. The last thing is insurance. All right. So insurance is split into homeowners insurance and mortgage insurance. All right. So if you paid less than 20%, then you're going to have private mortgage insurance, which is usually backed by FHA, and it's going to you're going to pay that for the life of the loan. Now, there's a way to reduce the pity payment that I'm talking about, and you can appeal your property taxes, or you can shop for a better homeowner's insurance. Okay, so that's the only way, only two ways to bring it down. But now there's a third way. And so basically, what happened starting March 20th, here's the news, according to the National Association of Realtors, they're going down zero point 0.3 percentage points, and that's going to save you of hundreds of dollars towards your or thousands of dollars towards your the payment that you were going to make without this change. So on average, people are going to save about $800 for the first year of home ownership. Okay, and you could probably get a slightly higher pre-approval by this because people on the fence, though it can bump them. It could be on the people. Some people like real close compared to the numbers, and it'll help them a lot more to qualify or not qualify or to get that number that they're looking for in their pre-approval. So just remember, 8 out of 10 of FHA borrowers are first-time home buyers. Okay, so 8 out of 10. Okay, 25% of these people are minorities. So if you're buying a house on the 200,000 in, like a row home or something like that, then you're going to save about $600 for the first year. If you are buying a home for $400,000, then you're going to save about $1,200 for that first year. And the reason why they're lowering this mortgage payment or this rate is because the credit worthiness has improved over time, right? Because like I said, the standards have been tougher to buy a home. Hey, Kenson, he says, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So the standards it's been tougher to buy a home for the last long I got back in. It's been like people get denied, okay? And it was no like write your name and we give you a mortgage. It has not been like that for a very long time. And that's why we were in that mess the first time. Okay, so 2008, right? So ever since that time, it's been harder, and that's why it'll be harder for the market to crash. Okay, it takes time. So if you don't see prices just plummeting, it's because it's going to go at a slower rate because people are doing what they were supposed to do. All right. So the risk has gone down, and they have passed on the savings to you. That is it. That is why mortgage payments are lower now. You guys have any questions about that? It's very simple, straightforward. All right, so let's do the fun part. Um, Anybody have any questions? Also, I wanted to let people know. He says, "Give me a call later." I wanted to let people know, like a lot of times, you guys are waiting for your. I talked to somebody this yesterday. So many people are on programs, and you're waiting to get your credit score to move, and it's not moving anywhere, and you have not called me yet. Why? Why would you do that to yourself, my friend? Why would you do that to yourself? I'm going to post my number in here, 267-259-4639. Okay. So give us a call. And sometimes what you think is going to stop you from getting a mortgage, you can get around it with a few credit tricks. So that's why I need you guys to contact us, schedule a phone consultation so that way you can figure out how we can get around that so you won't be paying stuff and waiting forever, waiting for your score to change, and it doesn't change in the time that you want. So there's a lot of people on the sidelines with money in the bank, and they don't really know what to do because there's no one to guide them. There's a real estate agent to guide you through the home buying process. There's a mortgage professional to guide you through the mortgage process. But when it comes to your credit, you have no clue what to do. So use the number, text me, and we will schedule you something. You guys have any questions? Y'all want to look at some homes? Hold on, y'all. Let me see what's going on today. I am looking for a client's home. I'm going to let y'all do it with me, okay? Let's find our client's home. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me split my screen. Who wants to see some real estate? Say me. Put a one in the chat if you want to see some real estate. All right. Okay. Let's see. Share my screen. All right. So let's go in this area. Let me see. I'm kind of keeping an eye out for my clients. So I'm going to show you guys some of the homes. Let's see. I think they want like 3 or more. And they want the Northeast. I know they would like a detached home or a twin. Fee simple is like a real estate term. Let's see. And also, let's pick the best ones to show you guys. All right. Okay, well, I guess you're gonna get some condos in here too. Well, if you want a condo, let me know. All right, let's see how we're looking on this screen. StreamYard is here. Okay. They're looking for a whole house, but I want to see what we got here. This is cute. Oh, wait. Okay. Hmm. Torresdale Manor, 30 townhome community. All right, so it's townhomes. It's 1,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 beds. Let's see what the next one is. It's on Grand Avenue. Here's another new one. Okay. Okay. Do y'all like the kitchen? Yeah. Do you like the kitchen? Let me know if you like this kitchen. It's not particularly my favorite, but other people have different tastes. It's not about me, it's all about you. As long as you like it. They tried. What's going on? I don't understand. Who did who told you? Okay. But that's a cute bathroom though. $599,000. How long has it been on the market? 26 days on the market. Okay. Back to F. It took it off the market and now it's active again. I'm gonna keep going. That's Greater Northeast. Hmm. Let's see what y'all see over here. What do you guys think so far? Oh, by the way, can you see everything? Okay. I was able to. We are under contract on one of my properties that we sold, and we got our seller, her renter. So, and I got my sound effect. 1, 2. All right, let's keep looking. I want to see something practical. I know you guys like luxury and all of that, but something that you guys could actually like would actually entertain, like walk through and see. So if you have not seen, let's say you went out to look for homes and you have not seen homes that look like this, it just means that it's not in your price range, that they're um your price range is not allowing for it to be seen. That's all. Am I going too fast? Let me know. I'm going at realtor speed because I can see this. I can take it in way faster than you guys. That's the plus. And I got the full gist. All right, so now 400. Okay, let's go keep going. All right, here we go. This is the typical home that I would show. Let's see how the inside look. Depends. Okay, fresh paint, new floors, that old railing. They bought new appliances though. Okay, we did the kitchen. Hold on. If you want to get pre-approved, then we walk through the homes, looking for a home. I don't want to say it's the fastest part of the process, but depends on how decisive you are. It's getting ready for buying a home. I feel like those people that's on YouTube that comment like a gamer, I'm a real estate gamer. That's funny. Oh, look at the backyard. That's cool. Oh, I love the sliding doors coming out to the backyard. That's cool. Um, concrete patio. They got the parking in the front of the building. Okay, it's a twin home, and it is for 350,000. So 349.9, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,400 square feet. What else do we need to know? Probably central air. Yep, central air. All right. So this is located right off of Welsh Road. I just sold a home right down the street. Right down the street. Um, any more? Okay, so this is Walker Street. So you're not like it's a good area, but every one of them is not going to be flipped, right? People lived in them, so how they lived in them is how they pass it on to you. Okay, so here's one. They just said it was in excellent condition. They still have all their decorations up, and honestly, it's a lot of patterns for a modern day buyer. They don't like all that stuff. So the cleaner you can make your house look, the better. People don't like your drapes. People don't like none of that stuff. Sorry. So you see the price went down, even though it's a nice house. 1,550 square feet. Okay. Three, 1.5 bathroom, 3 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. They brought down the price. It's been on the market for what? Listen, 237, probably with another agent. If they would have came to me, I would have gotten it sold, but it is what it is. Okay. So yeah, I would have removed that stuff. Buyers don't want to see that. Sorry, but they don't. So yeah, this was a house I was supposed to show. Um, so this was like a typical one. Look at the kitchen. Looks big. See how if it is big in person. Any questions so far? Questions? No? Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay. This is Northeast Philly, and usually it'll be Northeast Philly or Delaware County. So, guys, let me know if you're interested in Delaware County. Next time we'll pick another area. This is like a real. This is a real living space, guys. Real people buy real homes all the time, not HGTV homes, but a real home where they can tweak it and whatnot. This outside space is amazing. And Philly. Don't get a lot of backyards all the time. This is cute. I like the siding. Probably refinish the floor. Do some work in here to update it to bring it up. It's this is the furniture being here is a little bit of a distraction, but you still can see the good parts of it. You see how it's like nothing in the middle of the floor and all of that. So they were trying to work with the agent. They're like, listen, can you take something out? But the other one, they had way too many patterns, way too many things going on in the house. This is freshly painted. Look at this laundry room. Yeah, I think they should just took the dressers out. This is the deck in the back. All right, wait. I know I'm a realtor. I'm looking at the roof. Oh my gosh. All right, so that's it for today. All right. So if there's an area that you guys want me to check out, leave it in the comment section, and we will look at that next time. And just remember, if you hear the word real estate, refer to Ruth. Look, let me that up too. I'm on a ball again. Refer to Ruth, the realtor, and make sure your coworker, your family member, your church member, your pool player friend, your homegirls, your homeboys are in good hands, okay? Make sure they're in good hands because this is the biggest transaction of their life and they don't want someone to like screw it up. And when everything's on the line, it's going to matter who your realtor is. So yes, dime a dozen, I've heard that, but excellent realtors don't come a dime a dozen. So I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching Ruth and Real Estate. Ruth and Real Estate. Market update. I was a realtor before it was a trend. Bye.